Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Ricardo Caniago. I come from Central Tapanuli, North Sumatra, but currently I live in Bandung. I'm the eldest of 4 siblings, and I'm now 23 years old, and I'm a fresh graduate from Telkom University, majoring Industrial Engineering in 2021. I complete 4 years of my study with my last cumulative GPA is 3.5. For my experience, I have an internship at a production staff at PT Mabar Indonesia for 40 working days in the aqua feed production division, which produce fish and shrimp feed. My duties and responsibilities are to study production flow, then collect data from the production process, and then conduct an analysis of production capacity and efficiency. In addition, I have also worked as a laboratory assistant, namely is a simulation and business laboratory with a contract 1 year with the duties and responsibilities of preparing practical module, providing guidance on the preparation of report to practitioner, provide practical value to practitioner, carry out practical evaluation, and mentoring simulation and business laboratory of research group member. In addition, I have also helped work lecture research project on mapping the competence and business performance of UMKM in the creative economy sector in West Java region, and help a lecture thesis create a simulation model on the compost using the FlexSim software. My personal skill are teamwork, quick learn, initiative, communication, adapt quickly, leadership, problem solving, analytical thinking, and creative thinking. As the technical skill that I have, I can use Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Visio, then SAP, System Application and Processing, IBM SPS Apps, Photoshop, FlexSim, AnyLogic, and Inventor. For the achievement that I have achieved, namely being able to finish my college education on time and get a cumulative GPA of 3.5 according to my target at the beginning of college. Maybe this is something common for some people, but for me to see my parents are happy with their achievement, what I experienced was a very extraordinary thing. Then another achievement was being a finalist in the top 10 business plan competition and having the opportunity to present the result of the business plan proposal. My motivation for joining this program is because I really want to develop myself in this company and give the best contribution to the company, took the ability and knowledge that I have through this training management program, which is required to always be creative and innovative. And I feel challenged that see the core value of PT KMK Sport, a global sport company, are sustainable, multicultural, innovation, love our people, and excellent. I am interested because from the core value, I think that the work environment at PT KMK Global Sport is supportive work environment. So I will learn a lot to develop skill and my knowledge here. What I know about occupational safety and health is to provide protection for the health and safety of the workforce, namely by preventing accidents and work-related illnesses, which in turn can increase work efficiency and productivity. In my opinion, every company is obligated to implement occupational safety and health in its business activity. And when I was in college, I received a course on occupational and health and safety. The advantages that I have are: first, hard worker and responsible. If I'm given a task, I will responsible to completing the task with my maximum effort and giving the best result. For example, I was on strategies to work help on a lecture research project. Second, initiative and commitment. If there is a job that I'm confused about doing, I will ask someone who I think can or is competent with it, because if there is a job that I'm working on, I am commit that the work must be complete and produce good result. Third, quick to learn and easy to adapt to new environment. Fourth, can work individually and in group. And for the weakness that I have, first, I find it difficult to read at a distance because I use glasses where the right eye is minus 1.5 and the left eye is 0.5. Second, it's not too easy to trust people because I have been betrayed by friends, even though I consider my own friend. But for now, I have started to open up to trusting people, but not really trusting 100%. Third, people are overly careful, especially when it comes to number. So when completing a task related to number, I always cross-check many times to make sure. Fourth, quite wasteful for finance. But for now, I have started saving by setting aside some of the pocket money my parents gave me. That's all from me. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.